The Aruba-Curaçao-Bonaire cactus scrub is the name given to an ecoregion found solely in the APC Islands, 3 of the islands that make up the Dutch Caribbean. Although the islands are found just a little over 10 degrees north of the equator, well within the tropics, they have an arid desert landscape typical of subtropics, with annual rainfall as well as 150 millimeters in Aruba. Life is hard in an area of the climate, under a near tropical sun. Desert scrub encompasses most of the area of these islands. Plants that grow here must have some method to protect themselves from drying out and some way of dealing with the near constant trade winds, as well as some way to avoid predation by herbivores, like thorns and spines. Columnar cacti, DVD trees, thorny acacias, and other succulents growing densely across the dry land. From Curaçao, the largest of the 3 islands, one can see Aruba to the west and Bonaire to the east. The fruits of cactus are a vital source of food and water for many birds and reptile species. Rui's river valleys, which flourish with greenery in the winter season, are essential to a lot of the island's life. This arid tropical climate is shared by the Venezuelan Paraguayan Peninsula, a few other nearby islands like Isla Margarita, and some of the Colombian Guajira Peninsula. Due to these islands being found south of the hurricane belt, the tropical storms rarely hit the islands, making them popular tourist destinations year-round. Tourism, beneficial to the island's economies, has some negative impacts to the ecosystem in addition to feral goats and donkeys that run loose on the islands. They are protected areas of the islands like Aruba National Park in Aruba. Similar to other island ecosystems, they are also especially vulnerable to invasive species, here cane-toed boa constrictors, as well as the Caribbean wine invader, that is the jellyfish. The animals bed on the bounties brought by plants year-round. Most cacti provide flowers in the wet season and then fruits come the dry season. And the agaves provide few of their flowers right as the dry season begins. After flowering, the agave plant will die, but it will have ensured that its offspring continue to live on. Here in Aruba, columnar cacti as well as prickly pears and Turk's cap cacti proliferate, sharing the low scrub canopy with divitivi trees and twisted acacias. The bergamosa, or bull nettle, is Pterophyra, or the bellyache bush, as poison ivy is the jewelweed. That is to say, bergamosa causes an allergic reaction to the skin which can be greatly neutralized by the fluids of the Fiara.